If you have a self-managed super or a self-funded retiree, basically you've been left high and dry in terms of income, both in the federal budget and of course in terms of where our economy is at right now. Having typical income flows turned off has hit self-funded retirees and super funds particularly hard. Yet as a huge group of people within the population, we're also a group of people that are not allowed to have a voice, and we've just simply got to suck it up. So what can you do? One of the things that we've built out to help people, perhaps just like you, that have seen a reduction in their income, either through dividends or interest rates being reduced or yields slowing down on property, is develop a training strategy we call Rescue My Super. My name is Andrew Baxter. I've been a professional trader and investor now for almost 28 years, and we've pioneered a strategy that lets our clients develop more and more upfront income, but at the same time being able to manage risk. Getting income and risk balanced out is absolutely critical in these volatile times in markets, particularly when those go-to places like bonds and maybe commercial or residential property yields have simply fallen, or worse yet, those fully franked dividends, particularly those at the bank, have been slashed if not eliminated. Now is a very, very important time to be digging the well to knead the water to create more income in your portfolio, because we've not seen a cost of living slowdown. In fact, we continue to see our cost of living go up. And if your income isn't rising in line with that or even exceeding that, your quality of your life is really starting to diminish. Now's the time to make sure that doesn't happen, so I'd love the opportunity to spend an hour and a half with you teaching you exactly how this strategy works in a paint-by-numbers A to Z approach. All the details are below. Hit the box, hit the button below, register, and make sure you come along, and we'll spend 90 minutes live teaching you exactly how you can increase the income flow in your portfolio whilst reducing risk. Important to get upskilled, important to get educated, and important to get along to the event. I look forward to seeing you and hosting you at Rescue My Super.